a tutorial on how to fix Fortnite crashes and technical issues. So first things first, you go in Fortnite the launcher and you click verify, get that fixed, give it like a good 5 minutes. Then you update your drivers, disable other background apps, and install the distribution, the stuff, the visual install. So you have to copy the current, so it has to be Visual C++ redistributable. This one, like install all of them or like repair them. So you go to add and remove, and you go to visual, and you look at which ones you need, like 2010. Uninstall the ones you don't need. So it'll be like this one. You click modify. Oh, hold on, click modify. That's in English. This one I'll have repair, and then you'll do it for every single visual redistribution package in C++. So these C++s are like, if you can write software, they're like the required DLL files or like the library to run Fortnite. So you have to repair all of them to keep it from stuttering and crashing, if you understand. So that's about it, and make sure it's at using DirectX 11. Well, worst case scenario, uninstall it. If not, just do like a fresh Windows install. If not, that's my solution of getting rid of crashes. So to install the Microsoft Visual redistributable packages, which are like the required DL files to run Fortnite. So if this is helpful, use CryptoChan as your creator code. Thanks for watching. Peace.